In life, challenges are not just random obstacles. They are tests from Allah designed to strengthen us. The Quran reminds us, Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Every hardship we face is an opportunity to grow in patience, faith, and wisdom. When we endure struggles with patience and trust in Allah's plan, we come out stronger on the other side. Remember, these challenges are blessings in disguise. They help us develop resilience, humility, and gratitude. Through life's tests, we learn to rely on Allah more deeply and understand that true success lies in trusting His wisdom. So, instead of fearing challenges, embrace them as part of your journey to spiritual and personal growth. Life's challenges are actually opportunities for us to become better Muslims. Allah reminds us in the Quran, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease." Instead of fearing difficulties, we should embrace them as tools for strengthening our faith. When we face trials and turn to Allah for guidance, we discover a new strength within ourselves. Every challenge carries a lesson from Allah, whether it's patience, gratitude, or trust in His plan. Those who accept life's tests with faith and reliance on Allah will find success both in this world and the hereafter. Remember, these trials are meant to bring us closer to Allah and make us spiritually stronger.